Okay, so we've made the back piece now, so what we need to do is make the side pieces as our next step. So to do that, we're going to go straight up to new, because your working direction and everything should be set. So we go up to new, and I'm going to call this side, and I'm going to open up a side piece. Now for the side, I'm going to actually do my extrude onto the right plane there, and it's going to spin round. So we can see that we're now looking flat onto that side, and I need to make the side piece here. So I'm going to work out that it is actually to start off with a rectangle. So I'm going to draw a centre rectangle, once, twice. Now my width of that centre rectangle is 75. So we can click the arrow there. We know the width there is 75. And my height from the highest point is 105. So we change that to 105. So that's that part on there. By the time we're here, I can do a few little bits to it. So I'm going to draw a circle on the bottom there. And I'm going to resize that circle to 25. Now, if I try to extrude this now, it's going to cut out both bits. So what I need to do is press delete and cut out that part and that part and press OK. And we end up with a cutout like that, which we can set to 3mm and press OK. So that's the side bit done. I'm not going to worry about these back pieces, the slots in, we're going to add them afterwards. What I do need to do is add in this angled part on the side there. So to do that, we're going to go extrude and click on the side here. Now it is a distance of 30 up. So I'm going to go to construction, draw a line straight across. And press dimension, click on there, and click the bottom and set that to 30. Now I'm going to draw a line, construction mode off, from the top there down to the middle. So it will come up with dimensions. We can see the angle there is 76, we can change it to 75, and I'm going to draw a line straight up to the edge. And the dimension here will be 90. So now what we need to do is connect out, out, out. It doesn't matter, just as long as we connect that bit out. And we're going to remove that section and press OK. So that's that bit cut out. Now, regarding the back sections, there's a couple of things we can do. We can do a little extrude on the front here, and just in this corner here, change it to corner rectangle. I'm just going to put a little corner on there. I'm going to set that at 5, and I'm going to set the width at 2. Press OK, and we can do to reference. So that's going to hold the phone in place, so it stops it moving forward. Now regarding the back corners here, I'm going to let you decide how much you want to round these off. I'll round off the corners like that, and press, oops, and press OK. Hit save, and that's the side bit done.